Okay, next step, add all furniture to your plan. Draw all elevations. Okay, so to add all furniture to my plan, uh, for something like bed, really it doesn't matter, there is no specific, dimension because it's a movable object. So I just place it maybe here. The night table, I I rotate it. Move it here. Then I have the lamp. Copy or move, doesn't matter, from here to maybe here. What else? That's it. That's all furniture that we have here. Okay, now I can start doing the elevation. So I just copy the room, move it here. Okay, then I copy it again, move it here. I rotate this one, maybe this way. Copy this one, actually A, B. And I copy this one here, rotate again 90 degree, copy this one, place it here, rotate 90 degree. Then I just draw a line and I just adjust my plan according to the line. Maybe I go a little bit higher here. If I want to see the bed, actually I have to go a lot higher. Maybe I go here. This one is fine. This one I just want to see the lamp. Just bring it maybe a little bit more lower. This one, if I want to see the bed, I put there. Then I use trim, and I trim all the extra pieces, and I erase them. Okay, so next, I just draw my floor, change it to the right layer, elevation 6, X, L, vertical. Okay, I ignore the window because we are doing the interior, so don't worry about the window. So here you go, this, the opening, the closet, and I'm not doing the wall thickness. Offset, the height of the room is 8 to 8 feet 6, 8 feet 6. I offset it here. Then I use fillet here. Oh, see, because my radius is not 0, so F spacebar R spacebar 0. Then I start using fillet again. Spacebar to repeat command, and select these two and put it in the right layer, elevation 5. Then trim or fillet, doesn't matter. This was trim. Okay, so bed, I can just copy this bed and I grab from the leg and I place it on the floor. Then I move it from this side perpendicular to this line. So this is the right size. Then I go to the door. The height of the door Okay, where is the height? It's still in this is 7 including the frame, and frame is 3 inch. So okay, offset 7 feet, offset 3 inch. Okay, the bottom, this one is the opening of the door. I use rectangle from here to here, and then I can use offset 3. This one give me the wood molding, the door molding. I erase those extra lines. I erase this one. I keep the other one because I need it for the closet door. Then I trim the extra piece of the frame. Okay, here, even if you don't see it, we have a bulkhead above the closet. We can show it as a hidden line in the plan, but most of the time we don't. So fillet, something like that. Then match these two, trim. Okay, so that's what you see. And make sure it's the same color. Then I use a line, and I continue this one, copy this one from here to here. Then because it's a wall, we are cutting it, we can hatch it, and we can match that hatch. Okay, so this is this. I don't need this guy anymore. And I can hatch the wall. Or if you're thinking that you might want to move the bed, maybe it's better if you hatch. I mean, we don't need a hatch here, sorry. We just need the baseboard. So offset 4 inch. This is my baseboard. I change the color to something really thin, maybe elevation 2. Then I use trim. There is no baseboard where we have our door opening, even here, because here we have the closet door. So that's what you see. If you want, actually maybe I change this to layer 3. Oh, this two should be maybe layer 2. And then you can add detail. This door, the hinge is that side, so you will see something like that. Hopefully I have the right. Okay, that's good. Offset 36. Here I will have the handle. I can just draw a simple circle for now and make sure match it with the right layer, because now I'm using layer 0. So maybe I change it to layer 2. So from now on I draw it in layer 2. So this elevation is done. What else? The next elevation, remember, because it has the same height, I can select everything like that from the start point inside the wall to inside here. Okay, then I use XL vertical, and I just add the guideline for the area that I need. Something like that. Okay, then I can use fillet, these two, repeat fillet, these two, and either you can use XL horizontal to bring the height of the closet door, or you can just offset it. So then I can use, I don't know, trim or fillet, doesn't matter, and just use trim here, and I use trim here. I don't have any do I have or I don't have? No, I don't have frame around the door, so I keep it like that. The thing is, we never ever show the door open. So I just use divide, select this one and divide it in 4. Then I just copy this line and I place it like that. So again, these are hinge door. So what I have to do, I have to add the same symbol, line from here to the midpoint to here. Then I can just match it with this one. Actually, you know what? I would change the color of these two to elevation 1. Okay, it's better. Then I just copy these two from here to here, mirror, and mirror these two from here to here. So that's it. You can add a small, handle, again offset 36 on the floor, circle. Usually they have handle here or here. It's make it easier to open. So I just put something like that. Raise, mirror. Actually check your own closet. See if you have a bifolding door, see where they put the handle. Okay, so then I extend the baseboard to there, and I use trim, and I trim these two parts. Okay, so the next thing is this one. The good news is this is exactly like this one. So what I would do, I would just draw a line. You have to select something specific from this plan to that plan, and in this case would be the inside wall to inside wall. Then I use mirror, so I just mirrored the closet, and yeah, I don't need the door, I don't need the bed. Then to find the center, sometimes you can just type MID, so AutoCAD select the center easily, make sure the ortho is on. So this should be exactly in the right place. What I can do, I can just erase this piece and extend. Okay, so that's it. The only thing is missing is the lamp. So I just go copy this lamp and bring it here. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it matched the plan or not, but to make you happy, I would just add a guideline and move it from here to here, raise the extra one. Okay, the next thing, it's this one again. The good news is it's exactly like that one. I'm not wasting my time, I just grab something usually inside the wall. Ortho should be on to the inside the wall. Then I use mirror, just the outside, I don't need the inside. Accept it. Then I just type MID, and see, even if I place my cursor here, AutoCAD select the center for me. And that's it. I use extend, and here you go. Okay, to do the window elevation, I find it kind of confusing, so let's do it step by step. XL vertical. So I just do the exterior, outside frame. Then I use offset and look at the elevation. 3 feet 8 to the opening and 3 feet the opening. So let's go back here, offset 3 feet 8. This is the bottom of the opening, and 36 is the top of the opening. Rectangle from here to here. Then I use offset. Okay, so this is the outside frame. So let's erase the extra lines. So then if you look at here, we have another frame, okay? And this frame, again, we have the same 2-inch thickness all around the window. So what can I do? I can use XL vertical, and this, and this one. So now I have to offset again to get the another frame that I have. One way is, see, I just select this one and I grab this handle and I make it to the right size. Okay, so now I have the inner frame too. I can just mirror it from the center to the other side. So if I erase these two guys, I can erase this one. Basically this one, because this window frame is in front of the other one, so we don't see the other one, kind of. That's why I kept this line. So I just use trim, and I just trim these 2 points. So this is what we really see. And then again, I would select these 2. Actually, this is elevation 2. It's okay. Maybe I change this one to elevation 3. And the frame around the window is 3-inch the molding. So I use offset 3-inch. So this would be my wood molding around the window. Now I want to add hatch. Hatch, hatch. Select them. So the right hatch for this one was this one, AR proof. Angle is 60, and the scale is really depends. So maybe 20. It's too much, so I change it to 10. And select it, and I put it in the right layer because this is really thick. So I put it in elevation 1 or 0. Again, you have to print to see. Okay, so and in this elevation I see the bed, so I just go ahead and copy this elevation and I bring it here, XL, and I move this bed from here perpendicular to that one. I need the side table elevation. Copy this one, select it. Actually, it's better if you bring the guideline first. Okay, see XL vertical. Bring the guideline, then I move this one here to here, and I erase this too. So I have all the furniture, I have everything here.